Hello! Today we're going to explore how to add chapters in Trupeer videos. Once you find yourself on the edit page, you'll notice the add option within the script section. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. In this drop-down, simply select Add Chapters. You'll then be presented with two options. Let's take a closer look at these options, starting with the Generate with AI feature. Upon selecting this, the chapters are automatically generated for your video. Here, you can see the generated chapters. If you wish to edit or modify a chapter's name, just click on it and adjust the text as needed. Should you want to make further changes, click on the three dots where you can opt to add scenes to a chapter by choosing Add Scenes. This action will direct you to the Scenes section. Here, you can customize the chapter further by changing its scene background. You can add a template, a mini video, or adjust the slide duration as desired. If adding a logo is on your agenda, upload it here. For adding text, simply click on the text box and enter your desired content. Once everything is set, click on Save Changes. If you're looking to include transitions, navigate to the Transition option, pick your preferred style, and hit Save. Now, you'll notice the chapters you've added are reflected in the video. To delete a specific chapter, click on the three dots and select Delete. You'll see the chapter disappearing. Next, let's walk through how to add chapters manually. The process begins just like before. Click on the Add button. From the drop-down menu, select Add Chapters and then choose Add Manual. This will allow you to add chapters manually. To tailor each chapter to your needs, click the plus icon and type in the name for that chapter. If you want to add a template or video to it, use the three dots, go for Add Scenes, and select your desired template or video. Don't forget to enter a logo if necessary or add any text. With everything in place, click on Save Changes. Once you're satisfied, finalize by clicking Save Chapters. And that's how you can add chapters to your video. Thank you.